Hi everybody. So it's nice today. Good afternoon. It's what today? Oh, March 1st. It's March now. So we're outside. Justin is um doing some review on his truck. What is that called, Justin? Can you tell
A
them?
remote control truck.
Yeah, but what is that? This? Do you know? Where's the volume for this?
Up there. I think you just. I'm not sure.
Hold on.
Oh, you just.
Zoom that. So he have this remote control truck. Oh, it's still it work in the snow. We see the remote. So he's gonna do a review on this mega wheels. He have this. Oh my goodness, 3 years ago on
No,
Christmas.
It was at the old house.
Yeah, 3 years ago.
I
Look,
was
watch
little.
this. Watch this. This truck is. It run like crazy. It's noisy. If you want this for your kids, it's a really good one. It works better in the summer, but they like to let that run in the mud. It's supposed to go in the mud, but look at that. Make noise. Can I go? Can you bring it here closer so that I can show them? It's so sunny. Oh my! Wait a minute. So this is the one. It's a big one. So they like to ride. There's the snow melt, and they like to play. They want to play outside. So Justin has been playing that, but mostly in the summer, because you can't run that in the snow, of course. But don't let why did you try to climb that up in that snow? That's not what that for mud. So I think where we got that? Are you Radio Shack?
I think so.
Huh?
I think so.
A Radio Shack. So guys, you wanna go tour for our van? It's probably a mess. Oh guys, look at there's oh, it's locked. Never mind. It's locked. Guys, I'm gonna tour you inside of our house. Huh? Yeah. When you clean that, there's no crack? Huh? Alright, so that's Justin toy, whatever. In the summer, guys, I'm gonna show you a lot of whatever toys they're gonna play outside. It's fun when it's summer. We can do a lot.